This was a radical notion that we were going to do at this little college here out in Colorado Springs, a radical notion.
This is insane. I'm going to have to compress a semester into 3.5 weeks.
Let's just do one thing. Let me do one thing with just a few students.
Should we do this? And how would we do this?
Nowadays, it is absolutely, positively part of the identity of Colorado College, and there are just a few other colleges that have dared to do this.
I work 3 jobs, so to do extracurriculars and be an active participant in campus life can be difficult at times, but having class for 3 hours in the morning and having the entire day free, it feels liberating to me.
When I talk about hockey here at Colorado College, the first word that comes to mind for me is honor. As an aspiring professional hockey player, you want to get in every game, and you got to sit there and go, okay, you know what? I'm going to come in, I'm going to keep my mouth shut, and I'm going to work my rear end off.
With the block plan, it means that we have 9 days to work on this documentary. We think it's going to be a good film, but I'm terrified. I've never been this scared for anything school related.
For me, there's something that is just so exciting about getting to go somewhere like London, which is the performance capital of the world, and then to be able to see a lot of theater shows and see a potential of where I could be once I graduate.
I think that the block plan definitely equips us for getting large amounts of work done in a very short amount of time. But in the long run, it can be kind of problematic. We're kind of in our own little bubble of like block planness.
Could the block plan be implemented today? I don't know. I'm still amazed that it was. But we are not the same institution we were 50 years ago in so many ways. We live in a very, very different world. So I think we have an obligation to interrogate that.
I thought of it sometimes as playing a series of sudden death overtime periods, one right after another. And boy, it was intense.